everyone. Greetings to all. My heartfelt wishes on 75th Independence Day to all my countrymen out there. Myself, Nikita Sherkhane, studying in Standard 10th of Loyola CBSE School Sindagi, presenting you a speech on Independence Day. अभी भी जिसका खून न खोला वो खून नहीं पानी है, जो देश के काम न आए वो बेकार जवानी है. This dialogue from Rangadev Vasanti gives goosebumps to listeners, but it suits well for all the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for our country. August 15th, 1947 is remembered as one of the most memorable day in the history of India. Independence. It is not just something that happened in seconds. We must be aware about freedom, sacrifice, struggle, and challenges that our freedom fighters endured. So, here is a presentation made by me that is a collage on a very interesting and mesmerizing topic, the Independence Day.
Independence Day is celebrated with great zeal on 15th August every year. Independence Day is significant as it commemorates the valor and spirit of the freedom fighters who fought for the independence of the nation from British rule. The day is recognized as that of national pride and honor, with Prime Ministers hoisting the flag and addressing the country from the Red Fort every year. Furthermore, it is the most auspicious day for the people of India because India becomes independent after lots of hardships and sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. The entire nation celebrates this day with the full spirit of patriotism. The youth of our country has the power to change the nation. By means, someone rightly said that the future hinges on to the young generation. Hence, it becomes our duty to serve the nation and make every possible effort to make our country better. In the nation's capital, to be precise in Red Fort, Independence Day is celebrated every year in the presence of political and social dignitaries. They pay their homage to the nation's superheroes, freedom fighters. The flag of the country is hoisted in the presence of Prime Minister and President. Chief Ministers or Governors are present to celebrate Independence Day along with the citizens of the state in a common ground every year. Independence Day is a very colorful occasion in India, and on this day, parades are organized by the army on Red Road, Delhi and Calcutta. Tableaus are special attractions during the approximately 2 hours long program. The auspicious and happy day of Indian independence has a much longer tragic past. The glory of this country should be kept up by us Indians. Because of such many struggles and sacrifices made by our freedom fighters, India and Indians now stand with heads held high. For almost 2 centuries, British colonial rule prevailed in India. Never again should this country and its people have to drop their heads low. As Indian citizens, we should not consider this day for only hoisting the flag and distributing sweets. We all have personal agenda of progressing in our career, but let us do it without forgetting our responsibilities towards the nation. Let us take a pledge to do that and take this country to premier seat in the Committee of Nations. Let us also salute today people who fought for independence of country. Thank you.